Welcome back to online classes by Kavita Sasdeva. Today I will ask you some important questions for UGC NET Computer Science that you will definitely find in the exam. These types of questions. Now I will discuss some important subjects for UGC. First is discrete mathematics, second is data structure, third is networking, fourth is RDBMS, fifth is operating system, C++, software engineering, computer system architecture, theory of computation and compilers. First of all, you have to clarify your concepts from the standard books, that is networking. For example, for networking you have to read Barrow's Frozen book. You have to do each and every example of networking from Barrow's Frozen book. Definitely you will find 10 questions from this book. Next, you have to do MCQs of previous year papers. Okay, now I am asking you some frequently asked questions in UGC exam. First question is, consider the following postfix expression with single digit operands 6, 2, 3, multiply, divide, 4, 2, multiply, plus, 6, 8, multiply, minus. The top two elements of the stack after second star is evaluated. Options are 6, 2, 6, 3, 8, 1, 8, 2. Yes, answer is 8, 1. Now you will push elements in the stack. First of all 6, then 2, then 3. When you will find the operator, then pop two topmost elements from the stack and apply that operation. For example, multiply 3 2, say you will find 6, then push 6 in the stack. Now 6 and 6 in the stack. Now when you find divide operator, apply divide, 6 by 6, 1, then push 1 in the stack, then push 4, then push 2. Now top two elements are 2 and 4. When you will find star, that is multiply, then multiply top two elements, 4 2s are 8, then push back 8 to the stack. Now what are the elements? 8, 1 are the topmost element after second star is evaluated. Next question is, the Boolean expression a complement b plus ab plus a dot b is equivalent to. Options are a plus b, a dot b, a minus b and b. Answer is b. How you will find a complement b plus a dot b plus a dot b? A dot b plus a dot b is equal to a dot b, because in Boolean expression, laws of Boolean expressions, a plus a is equal to a. Now a dot b plus a dot b is equal to a dot b. Now from a complement b plus a dot b, you will take b common. A complement plus a is equal to 1. Now you will find the answer B. Next question is, which of the following is a structure that provides faster access to rows of a table based on the values of one or more columns? Options are table, view, index, none of these. Answer is index. Next question is, a software design pattern often used to restrict access to an object is. Options are adapter, decorator, delegation, proxy. Answer is proxy. Next question is, a virtual memory based memory management algorithm partially swaps out a process. This is an example of. First option is short term scheduling, second option is long term scheduling, third option is medium term scheduling, and fourth is mutual exclusion. Answer is medium term scheduling. Next question is, which of the following is the most efficient to perform arithmetic operations on the numbers? First option is sign magnitude, second option is one's complement, third option is two's complement, fourth option is nine's complement. Answer is two's complement. Next question is the bit rate of a signal is 3000 bits per second. If each signal unit carries 6 bits, the baud rate of the signal is, first option is 500 baud per second, second option is 3000 baud per second, third option is 1000 baud per second, fourth option is 18,000 baud per second. Answer is 500 baud per second. What you will do? You will divide 3000 by 6. You will find out the answer 500 baud per second. Next question is which of the following in C++ is inherited in a derived class from base class? First option is constructor, second destructor, third data members, and fourth virtual methods. Answer is data members. Next question is the combination of an IP address and a port number is known as, first option is network number, second socket number, third subnet mask number, and fourth is MAC address. Answer is socket address. Next question is the in order and pre-order traversal of a binary tree are, in order is DBA FCG, pre-order is ABDECFG. What is the post order of this binary tree? What you will do? You will first construct the binary tree ABC DEFG. First of all, you will construct the binary tree from the given in order and pre-order. You will take the root from the pre-order. A is here root, first number in pre-order, you will take root. Next root will be the left, take from pre-order B and mark the root in order. Okay, mark A in order, left side DBE, right side FCG. Okay, next root from pre-order B and you will mark that B in order. On B, left side is D and right side is E. In this way you can construct tree. Now post order is left, right, root D E B F G C A. Answer is this. Next is the register that stores all interrupt requests is, first option is interrupt mask register, second option is interrupt service register, third option is interrupt request register, fourth is status register. Answer is interrupt request register. Next question is the simplified form of a Boolean equation AB complement plus AB complement C plus AC bracket close, now bracket start, A complement C complement plus B complement bracket close is, now first option is AB complement, second option is AB complement C, third option is A complement B, fourth option is ABC. Now the answer is AB complement. How you will find? You will take AB complement from AB complement plus AB complement C common, in bracket 1 plus C is equal to 1 according to the Boolean laws, plus AC, right, the same rest of the same, is equal to AB complement plus AC, A complement C complement plus B complement AB complement. Now you will multiply these brackets. Now A dot A complement is equal to 0. This is 0 plus AB complement plus, now A complement plus A is equal to 0. A B complement C. Now take AB complement common. In bracket there is 1 plus C is equal to AB complement. 1 plus C is equal to 1 according to the Boolean laws. Next question is the hexadecimal equivalent of the octal number 2357 is, Option is 2EE, 2FF, 4EF and 4FE. Answer is 4EF. Next question is, which of the following operators cannot be overloaded in C, C++? Bitwise right shift assignment, address of and indirection, structure reference. Answer is structure reference. Next question is, which of the following cannot be passed to a function in C++? First option is constant, second option is structure, third option is array, and fourth option is header file. Answer is header file. Next question is, in class pool addressing, the IP address 190.255.254.254 belongs to. First option is class A, second option is class B, third option is class C, and fourth option is class D. Answer is class B. Hamming distance between 100, 10, 100, 110 and 110, 1111, 1101 is. Option is 3, 4, third option is 5, fourth option is 6. Answer is 6. What you will do, you will XOR the bits, and XOR of two bits, different bits, that is 0 and 1 is 1, and the number of ones in the answer is your answer. Now 0 XOR 1 is 1, 1 XOR 0 is 1, that is number of ones in the answer is 6. Now Hamming distance is 6. Question number 18. Manager salary details are hidden from employee. This is called as. First option is conceptual level data hiding. Second option is physical level data hiding. Third option is external level data hiding. And fourth option is local level data hiding. Answer is external level data hiding. Next question is, the start and stop bits are used in serial communication for. First option is error detection, second option is error correction, third option is synchronization, and fourth option is slowing down the communication. Answer is synchronization. Next question is, cyclometric complexity of flow graph G with n vertices and e edges is. First option is e plus n minus 2, second is e minus n plus 2, and third is e plus n plus 2, fourth is e minus n minus 2. Answer is e minus n plus 2 is the cyclometric complexity of flow graph. If you like our video, please press like button and subscribe our channel and share to more and more people. Thank you.